Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on copper. COMEX copper price is moving in rising wedge along with break in its nearby resistance of 4.33 level indicates short-term trend is bullish. However, any break above 4.40 level will surge the price further up till 4.60 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at 4.15 level and break below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. MCX copper price is forming higher high, higher low formation and moving in sideways range. Therefore, any break above 834 level, which act as a short-term resistance, will surge the price further up till 840 and 845 level in upcoming trading session. Key support on downside hold at 814 level and break below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.